So here we have the Fold and Go Scooty. This scooter is unique to us, British design. Puncture-proof tyres, so you're not going to get a puncture and be stranded somewhere. Front disc brake, so it's manual braking, it's not automatic braking on this scooter. We had to keep the weight down, so that's something we had to remove from it. So the brakes are operated the same way as a bicycle, with a handle on the handlebars. Comes complete with this holder which goes on the back of the seat. I'm going to now take the scooter apart, so it's going to quick release catch under the seat. 1 second to take that seat off. And we're now just remove the little basket on the front. And next we'll operate a quick release catch at the base of the steering column. There we go, to release the steering. And then we'll secure the steering column with the Velcro strap to keep it in nice one solid piece. That's that done. Very easy to lift. I'll lift it here, I think, on the little handle on the front comes provided. These are the foot rests. Lifting it there with just one hand. 2 hands, it makes it even easier. It's a fantastic scooter, super lightweight. This is the battery pack. I'm going to remove that. You can charge it on board or off board, so you don't have to take the battery off to charge it, but you can if you prefer. Very, very lightweight lithium battery. That battery will take you approximately about 12 miles. The wheels, the rear wheels are made adjustable width. So we did this for people that go on cruise holidays, so it will go on its narrowest width through the cabin doorway on a cruise ship. And if you want more stability, you can make them wider. Just a few seconds to adjust the rear wheels. Very nimble, great to get around the shops. Yeah, and that's the Scooty Superlight. Well, that's our range of lightweight mobility scooters. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's been informative for you. Please remember that we ship and deliver nationwide, UK, and indeed worldwide. Please email us or telephone for any extra information that you require. Thank you.